Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
Quick update. If you watched my yesterday's video, I spoke about Central going ahead with plans and another thing which I pitched for another person. Well, the second thing did not work out. It kind of got cancelled. However, Make Me Gardens in as a sustainability partner by providing 600 Tulsi plants for them. So exciting shit, man. Today we designed up the design for what will go on to the stickering on the plants, and we will be in 4 locations all over Hyderabad, and they also want it in Vizag, and I have no contact who will be giving me plants in Vizag. So if you're watching this today and if you have any contact in Vizag who can provide me plants, let me know, because they're looking forward to do this. They're looking forward for doing this even in Vizag. Right now it's just in 4 stores in Hyderabad. Still super excited. The date is very close. So probably I will be there in the stores and giving away these plants to the people who purchase over 5k. In yesterday's video, in the end, I fucked up and I told it's only 3k. It's 5k. So we have one news of that. And tomorrow something very fucking interesting is happening. Very interesting thing is happening tomorrow, where a Mickey Mouse is going to be out there everywhere giving out MMG Pocket Garden kits. Who knows? You might encounter it. So let's see. Let me know if you see it. Put up a story, tag me and tag Make Me Garden. But a Mickey Mouse is going to be out there giving out something insane from Make Me Garden. So watch out for that. And that's going to happen tomorrow. And yeah, Rohit sent me a few numbers for cold calling today for basically the DIY kits. We had given a person X amount of rupees to give us leads for our DIY kits, and he did give us 6 leads after 3 fucking months. I was highly pissed off on it, honestly speaking. I didn't want the money to go there, but it did go there. But anyways, I got 6 fucking leads, out of which 2 were interested and 3 did not answer, and 1 phone was out of service. So let's see how these leads convert. And if these leads are not so good, I'm probably gonna take back that money that Rohit had given to this leads person. We have that. And oh fuck, there is another. So here Make Me Garden is coming in as a sustainability partner with Central all over Hyderabad. And there is another association or a club who actually wants Make Me Garden to come in as a sustainability partner as well. So let's see. That is not yet confirmed. It is still in the talks, but according to me, it's confirmed because I really want to do it. So yeah, another thing which will be happening in March first week, where Make Me Garden is gonna be all over again. And if my voice is weird, I think I've got phlegm all over. I gotta go and spit. I'm just trying to hold it in and speak and finish this fucking video. Yeah, I have honestly nothing else to say, but I fucking enjoyed cold calling all these 6 people. It was so fucking fun, man. Sales, it's just so much more fun for me. Initially, I used to think... So basically, cold calling, I love it. Initially, I used to think that all these methods and techniques people are explaining on YouTube don't work in India because the language is different, man, especially in Hyderabad. Most of them don't speak in English. So, their methods or techniques that they explain, majorly they don't work here if you're cold calling. So, today, I don't know what happened. I was just speaking in Telugu, Hindi and English, and they were on fucking point. It was so cool. So, when all of this shit happened, I just cut one call and then I was super hyped, and then my veins started popping out, probably because I was walking too. But I was super excited with the flow of conversation I had with them, especially with the two people who were very interested. It was so much fun. You know, when somebody sees the value and you keep delivering more and more points to them, and they're like, okay, what the fuck is he getting or is she getting? That when you realize that they're in that state, it's so cool, man. It's honestly so cool. So yeah, basically those were my updates for today, and I actually did not upload yesterday's videos content on Instagram. None of my fucking followers noticed. I just reposted old shit. Anyways, that's not the case. But I didn't upload the video today on Instagram because I was not sure if the Hyderabad Central's order was going through, and it did go through. So there's that, man. Being afraid is actually not necessary, I guess. Or I just over assumed a lot of shit and got scared and proceed out by not posting it on the platform. I don't know, I'll just post it tomorrow or sometime when I have nothing to put up. I guess I'll be putting that up. So yeah, these were my updates for today.